The first Tesla Cybertruck electric pickup has been built at Gigafactory, Texas. Elon Musk estimated in May that Tesla could sell between 250,000 and 500,000 Cybertrucks a year when production reaches full pace. The Cybertruck's unique design will likely make it one of the most photographed vehicles on the streets when deliveries begin. Production of the Cybertruck is expected to be limited until 2024. Tesla claims to have more than 1.6 million pre-orders for the vehicle. Analysts say that user engagement on Threads has dropped off, with data showing a 20% drop in daily active users and a 50% drop in time spent on the platform over the weekend. The app gained well over 100 million users since its release on July 5. Meta has implemented VPN blocks to stop people in the EU from using Threads until the company overcomes issues with EU regulations. A Meta spokesperson said that the company is currently focusing on ensuring stable performance, delivering new features, and improving the experience. Swedish developers are building the world's largest wooden city to inspire other similar projects around the world. The city will feature 7,000 office spaces, 2,000 homes, and space for businesses across an area of over 250,000 square meters. Work on the project will begin in 2025 and it is expected to take a decade to complete. Using timber for construction produces significantly lower carbon emissions than using conventional building materials. The project will meet the same high safety requirements as all other constructions, including for fire safety. This article discusses common design patterns at Stripe with a focus on design patterns that are generic enough to be useful for any developer in the API design process. It covers how to name things, structure, responses, security, and more. The article is part of a series called Designing APIs for Humans. Links to other articles in the series are available. This Twitter thread contains 3 interview questions along with the reasoning behind them. The Spark Fusion Reactor is being built on the site of a former U.S. Army Reserve base near Boston. It will use extremely strong electromagnets created by high-temperature superconducting tape to control plasma during a fusion reaction. The use of the tape will theoretically allow for the construction of high-performance tokamaks much smaller and cheaper than other approaches. It will take 10,000 kilometers of the tape to construct the 18 toroidal field magnets used in the Spark Fusion Reactor. Axe API is a framework for quickly creating REST APIs declaratively. It analyzes API definitions and handles all endpoints. Axe API automatically creates documentation by checking model definitions, table relations, database schemas, and other sources. The pressure for XAI to compete is intense. Elon Musk appears eager to leapfrog over his new company's deep-pocketed competitors. He recruited top AI talent to the new company with equity he claimed was already worth billions of dollars. Musk's aims with XAI include creating an artificial intelligence that can understand the true nature of the universe, a goal that might take some time to achieve. Netflix's release of Oxenfree 2 is likely the beginning of a long-term plan to focus on video games. The company has previously identified video games as its biggest competition in the market for attention. It has bought several game studios and established 2. Netflix now has around 67 games in its library, with 86 more in development. The company is taking a slow and steady approach, but its gaming efforts are gaining momentum. This blog discusses the choices and paths developers can take when implementing front ends for programming languages. Elon Musk had predicted that Twitter would be cash flow positive by the second quarter of 2023, but approximately 50% drop in advertising revenue and large interest payments, among other issues, are preventing the company from reaching that goal. Stablecoins solve real problems, have signs of product market fit, and are a platform for the creation of an open, cheap, and programmable global payment system. Docker-pgautoupgrade is a PostgreSQL Docker container that automatically upgrades databases to the required version of PostgreSQL. Some of the factors that make developers productive include building the right things, adding less busywork, having the right tools, having the right knowledge, and helpful infrastructure.